Hey you guys, before we get into the video, this is on the dart. If you guys remember my video before this, I said that I lost a shit ton of videos on this, putting this in and setting everything up. I have. So this is going to be a hodgepodge of shit I was actually able to pull off out of the phone and what I wasn't. And later tonight, there will be a 52 or 53 Kaiser video that pops up. Just a will it run. Car's been sitting since 1991. Simple stuff we did was points. Make sure the engine's turned over. Make sure it has oil. Make sure it has coolant. We did have to rebuild the carburetor, but that's not on the video. That's simple enough that probably nobody cares about watching people do. Never mind that. If you guys pay attention to the community page, you guys have seen that. I actually picked it up for $300, dude. And it runs. So I bought it because next summer I have a jet ski out back, which you guys will see in another video coming up. We're gonna get it running. I want to have some fun next summer between the cars, the dart, and I want to go to the woods, maybe go off roading a little bit on this. Go up to Rockville Lake and spend the time on a jet ski. So hope you guys enjoy the video. There's not a lot going on. By the way, I do gotta say something. We were talking about that phone. I actually got a door here. So this is a phone that I've had for 3 or 4 years. These phones, it's a Galaxy A51. They're really good phones. The only bad thing is the charger piece breaks after 3 years, so that's now junk. Never mind this. That's for the big block. I'm getting ready to clean it and paint it because I'm too cheap to go buy a new one, so I'm probably gonna use this for now. Just get the unit together. I have actually paint for it. Not a gasket key yet, but we'll clean up, do some painting. There's a couple videos coming up on this Kaiser that we're doing. I have a jet ski out back that we're going to be doing some videos on. That thing hasn't ran in 3 years that I know of. So another will it run. Why not? Thank you guys for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. And the dart is nowhere near done. There's still a shit ton of parts I have to buy. There's still a shit ton of videos that's going to come out on it. I'm sorry again for not having a lot on it running. It is running now. But with all the other stuff going around and then that phone breaking, pretty much all my videos got lost that I had planned. So thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for understanding. I do post on the community page. I'm actually able to now, which is kind of cool. So you guys will see updates like that. I do post on there occasionally now. So stay tuned for updates, I guess. See you guys next time. Hey you guys, I'm going to get back to the dart. We are going to pull the diff cover off and see how bad the 7 1/4 it's in this is. Put tank in it, it winds, and that's done. So enjoy. Try to leave 2 bolts side by side, but back them out a little bit, and you can get a screwdriver here and do this number, and it'll come loose. Some of these 7 1/4s, you actually could have got a what they call them, oh, the GM term's posi. I can't remember what the Mopar term is. But basically, they got these little posi. I don't think this one is a posi. Just because how low option the car was when it was bought. Because this car was far from heavily optioned. The car had really, to be honest, no options. I mean, and another way you could tell if this was posi and this had never been off, there would be, well, there's a tag there. I'd never noticed that tag there. I don't think it's a posi tag, but we'll just see. We'll clean it up and we'll see what it says. There would be a tag like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a tag like this on factory diffs that would tell you, like, put limited slip fluid in there, or, you know, what fluid to put in it, posi, you know, that type of stuff. I'm not sure on Mopars if they're like that, but GM is like that. As a matter of fact, the Malibu out back has a tag like this that says, use limited slip gear oil, or posi gear oil, and then yeah, so there's that. I'm not sure that tag says that. I doubt this is posi, like I said, because the car wasn't optioned very highly. Alright guys, ready? I just want to throw it in a couple threads, just enough to catch the cover. Then you just get in here, like so. There we go. That actually looks really, really good. Taking bets now. Posi, not posi, what? No, one legger. Open. Clean. Really clean. Really, really clean. That's shocked. I'll let that drain for a little bit and get this nasty smelling girl off my hands, because that just sucks. And out of all the things you can do in a car, this shit stinks the worst. I hate gear oil. A little bit of Permatex. By the way, this car has 323s. What the gears are. Let me put this back on. You guys make that out? 323. Then you pull this one back out. Put that back in. Over here. Now, you take your blue paint that you just have laying around and you make it look like a crackhead did it, because that's what you do. You want to make it look like a tweaker did this. So you just all over it. Make it look like a tweaker did it. Never mind the overspray, you want that. That's character. You just want to fade it in. There. That looks like somebody from West Terre Haute did it. Alright, let's put the tank in now. And never mind that, that's gonna have runs, and you don't worry about that. Just leave it. That's character. These are funner to put in when there's gas in them. There's a shit ton of gas in these are freaking awesome to put in. They make you feel really good. I was editing this video, guys, and I just wanted to put in here the last little bit of the engine running. That was before we have timed it. We actually have it timed now. We haven't ran it very much because I want to get train lines on it. Don't want to burn up the transmission. And I want to get the drive shaft tent that I just bought. So that was before all that. The engine's running 10 times better. Not that it ran crappy there. The thing should have plenty of power. It actually sounds pretty good. Sorry about this video being like this. My phone went bad. My phone broke. I really feel bad about it. Really wanted this Dart engine installed to be like a decent video, and it didn't turn out that way. I have since bought an iPhone, so hopefully that brings the video quality a little bit, and this thing shouldn't break for 2 or 3 years, and by then, hopefully I'll have a GoPro. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. This video was 2 hours long with a bunch of stuff, so I had to cut a bunch of it out. I really appreciate you guys watching. Liking and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I like everybody that comments. The Dart, the next thing that we're going to do to it will be, I have to order the shifter brackets, console brackets for that, to get it mounted in the car. So I'm going to do that. And then sound deadening, and then we'll do weather stripping. Then we'll do carpet. My next thing is the interior. And then we'll move on to suspension, exhaust, that stuff. Dart's far from done. The thing sounds killer. But like I said, I didn't want to run it very much because I want it, the transmission line's hooked up. I want to make sure all that stuff's hooked up. I don't want to kill the transmission. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching again. See you guys next time.